Prime Minister Narendra Modi has met with his Singapore counterpart Lawrence Wong and he has held discussions on ways to boost bilateral ties. Ahead of the meeting, PM Modi had received a ceremonial welcome at the Singapore Parliament House and has also signed the visitors book present over there. The meeting between the two leaders has come days after Singapore PM Wong took over as the Premier and Prime Minister Narendra Modi began his third term as PM. Later today, PM Modi is also scheduled to call on President Tharman as well. Meanwhile, Prime Minister Narendra Modi had addressed the Parliament in Singapore. Let's listen in.
Excellency, सिंगापुर केवल एक पार्टनर देश नहीं है। सिंगापुर हर विकासशील देश के लिए एक प्रेरणा है। हम भी भारत में अनेकों सिंगापुर बनाना चाहते हैं और मुझे खुशी है कि हम इस दिशा में मिलकर प्रयास कर रहे हैं। हमारे बीच जो मिनिस्टरियल राउंड टेबल बनी है वो एक पाथ ब्रेकिंग मैकेनिज्म है। स्किलिंग, डिजिटलाइजेशन, मोबिलिटी, एडवांस मैन्युफैक्चरिंग जैसे सेमीकंडक्टर और एआई, हेल्थ केयर, सस्टेनेबिलिटी और साइबर सिक्योरिटी जैसे क्षेत्रों में सहयोग की दिशा में ये इनिशिएटिव की पहचान बन गई है। एक्सेलेंसी, गर्मजोशी भरे स्वागत के लिए मैं आपका हार्दिक धन्यवाद करता हूं। आपके प्रधानमंत्री पद ग्रहण करने के बाद ये हमारी पहली मुलाकात है। मेरी तरफ से आपको बहुत बहुत बधाई और हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। मुझे विश्वास है 4G के नेतृत्व में सिंगापुर और अधिक तेजी से प्रगति करेगा।
Mehendi on the telecast with me. Mehendi, Singapore, India, bonhomie on display. Of course, the Prime Minister has now spoken at the Parliament. If you could take our viewers through what it is that he has stated.
Well, yes, Sabri, after wrapping his visit to Brunei, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has flown to Singapore and now he is in Singapore doing, the bilateral talks between the two countries and also giving different statements from there also. And, when reaching Singapore, Prime Minister Narendra Modi was received a red carpet welcome at the Singapore Parliament House. And he also signed the visitors book there. And, the meeting between the two leaders comes days after Wong took over and Modi began his third term as the Prime Minister. And, ahead of the talks with Wong, if we talk about Prime Minister Narendra Modi's itinerary in Singapore, then he will visit the semiconductor facility of AEM Holdings Limited with the PM of Singapore very soon. And also around 10:30 a.m. there will be a lunch that will be hosted by H.E. Lee Hsien Loong, the Senior Minister. Around 12:15 p.m. a call on H.E. Mr. Tharman Shanmugaratnam, the President of Singapore, will happen. And after that, around 1:05 p.m. a call by H.E. Mr. Goh Chok Tong, the Emeritus Senior Minister, will happen. And later in the afternoon, around 1:45 and around 2, a press briefing by the Minister of External Affairs at Hotel Shangri-La will happen. And lastly, at 2:45 p.m., a business meeting, including all the senior officials of the Singapore and also the Indian diplomats, will happen. And, ending this day and ending the itinerary of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, at 4:15 p.m., the Prime Minister will enplane for New Delhi, and around 22 IST, Prime Minister will reach New Delhi. So he was on a 2-day visit to Singapore, and earlier he visited Brunei also. So this was a very important meet, and as his statement was also heard, we were hearing the statement of Sabri, that he said that, it's very important to talk about different things between the countries and to strong the bilateral relations between the country. And also he appreciated Singapore as a country and looking forward to have more meetings or to have more visits in the country. Yes, Sabri.
Right.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.